Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a straightforward solution to fix Vanguard retirement withdrawal delays. Without stress or confusion, welcome to our channel. If you've recently encountered a delay in your Vanguard retirement withdrawal and felt uncertain about what to do next, you're not alone. Delays can be frustrating, especially when it comes to accessing your hard-earned retirement savings. But don't worry, this guide will walk you through simple, actionable steps to resolve the issue efficiently and get your funds released promptly. First things first, understand that sometimes Vanguard requires additional verification to protect your account and ensure compliance with regulatory standards. This verification process is the most common reason for withdrawal delays, so patience is key. Now let's jump into how you can address this step by step. Step 1. Check your email and Vanguard account notifications carefully. Vanguard will typically send alerts if any additional documentation or information is needed. Be sure to look for emails from Vanguard's official address, and also check your spam or junk folders in case the message got filtered out. Step 2. Confirm your identity. This often involves logging into your Vanguard account and verifying personal details or submitting identification documents through their secured portal if you haven't completed this step already. It's a crucial one to prevent delays. Step 3. If the delay persists, reach out to Vanguard customer service directly. Use the phone or secure messaging within your account. Explain your situation clearly and ask if any further actions or documents are required. Sometimes waiting on a human interaction can speed up the process. Step 4. Review your withdrawal request details, including account numbers, withdrawal amount, and payment method, to ensure everything is accurate. Mistakes here can cause processing to halt, so double-check and make necessary corrections early on. Step 5. Familiarize yourself with Vanguard's usual processing times, which can vary depending on the type of account and withdrawal method. Some transfers might take several business days, so knowing the expected timeline helps set realistic expectations. Step 6. Consider setting up electronic delivery or direct deposit methods instead of checks to avoid postal delays and faster receipt of funds once your withdrawal is processed. This often accelerates the time you receive your money. Step 7. Stay organized. Keep copies of all your communication with Vanguard, including confirmation emails, screenshots of your withdrawal requests, and notes from customer service conversations. This record keeping is helpful in case you need to escalate the issue. Step 8. If after all steps the delay still isn't resolved, consider filing a formal complaint with Vanguard or consulting a financial advisor for personalized support. Having a third-party expert evaluate your case can be a powerful option. Remember, the key to resolving these delays is proactive communication and thorough verification. Staying calm and persistent will help you navigate the situation smoothly and regain access to your retirement funds without unnecessary stress. We hope these steps empower you to handle any Vanguard retirement withdrawal delay confidently. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more financial tips and insights.